Hey, I'm Bruce Jump with Heritage Professional Products. I've got two of our professional products colleagues and teammates with me, Rob Garcia. Hello, Rob.
How's it going, Bruce?
Good. And I've got Nick Wilz. Nick is our sports field specialist. Nick, you're up in Minneapolis. How are you doing, sir?
I'm doing well. Thank you, Bruce.
Awesome. Hey, we want to just take a few minutes and talk about who the Heritage Professional Products team is. We got the Heritage Legacy Group, which is, Rob, how many? 200 and some branches across the country now, selling irrigation, lighting, hardscape, and some agronomy. But it was back in 2022, I believe. Heritage wanted to get into the agronomy business, and our team was acquired. Where were we, and who? Rob, give us just a quick overview. Where did we come from? How many people are here? How many branches? And let's just start there.
So when Heritage looked out into the market to see who was available to be purchased, they found that Winfield United had a PPG division throughout the United States. And Winfield United, for those that don't know, is part of the Land O'Lakes group. So they approached Land O'Lakes to buy the PPG business. And specifically, what were they going to buy? So the PPG business at that time had 16 locations, what we called an ASC, spread out throughout the entire United States. And we were operating in all segments of the professional products distribution. We were in golf, lawn care, landscape maintenance, ornamentals, pest control, aquatics, and in integrated vegetation management. So we were operating in all facets. The other thing that we had is we had contact with all the basic large manufacturers throughout the United States. So we had access to the Syngentas, the Bayers, the BASFs, FMCs of the world.
So these are the main companies we buy from. I mean, herbicide, insecticide, fungicide. Might be easier to say what we don't have because we had basically from all the major manufacturers, right?
And most importantly, we were basic with those large manufacturers so that we were not selling. We did carry and we do have some post-patent chemistry in our portfolio, but we were concentrating on the latest and greatest innovations for the professional products industry. So we were able to then tap into that where they had struggled a little bit because they had not built a network. And so they were basically selling other people's products, some post-patent chemistry, but only dabbling and getting a lot of pushback. So by acquiring us from Land O'Lakes in November, like Bruce said, of 2022, we were able to immediately, as Heritage, jump to the forefront of professional products in the United States.
Perfect. So how many people, along with Mr. Wills here, how many people came over from Winfield, Land O'Lakes on the acquisition? About how many people?
We had at that time about a little over 65 salesmen throughout the entire network. We had all of our operations people. So the average facility had 4 or 5 people in operations. Then they had people like you and myself, Bruce, as part of the proprietary products team.
Yes.
There's 4 of us. We all have our different responsibilities, but essentially we help to drive new product development, product education, product information. And we spend time with people like Nick and go out into the market, talking to customers, helping to let them know, one, just like we're doing today, who are we? And myself, I've been working in this industry since 1993 when I got out of college from University of Wisconsin-Platteville. And I started on the maintenance side. I started as a salesman in 1998, and now as a product manager and helping with development and education. We have a lot of experience here at Heritage PPG. Many of us, Bruce, yourself, how long have you been working in the industry?
First began selling turf seed in August of 1979. Are you kidding me? You got to be kidding me. Got to be kidding me. Rob, on the professional products team, Nick handles sports fields for us. Correct. He's a sports field specialist. What kind of market segments do the professional products team sell into?
We sell into all of them. We have salesmen that do specifically golf. We have gentlemen like Nick that are working with municipalities all the way up to the professional sports teams here in the United States in all of the major sports leagues as well. Then we have ornamental reps. We have ornamental reps to work with some of the largest growers throughout the United States.
Yeah.
Some gentlemen like Mr. Drew Guffey and Adam Klinger, Eric Kello. They are some of the best ornamental salesmen in the United States. And then we also have pest control specialists who work with our pest control applicators throughout the country. And then our aquatics division. We have some of the best aquatics people in the industry. Chris Smith, well-respected. Darman has been around for many years and worked with multiple manufacturers. So we have a lot of experience in these specific categories. So when you take everybody's specialty and line them up as a team, and I like to emphasize team because I think that PPG is very good at working as a group. We cover all the bases.
So now talk to us. Last question. We have our professional products team, but we're also wanting to support agronomy for all of the Heritage Legacy branches. Talk to us about how we're doing that.
So what we're trying to do, one, is we're trying to focus what these brands and all these branches, these irrigation branches, what were they selling in the past when it comes to our category? And when I look at these, so I want to take that expertise and I want to take all that other information from all these guys working these other segments and bring that together to help them focus. Now, we fully understand that their largest market is going to be the landscape maintenance and landscape applicators. So lawn care companies. So when we look at that, what are the things that those guys most readily use? Fertilizers and herbicides, especially because weed control is a huge part of that market. Having good, clean, weed-free lawns and sports turf fields and golf courses. And then also getting them into, we're working with organic companies. And so we're taking that expertise to try to make them funnel their purchasing down so we can capitalize on the volume and the size of a company that we are.
So that's a brief overview of Heritage Professional Products. On the screen, you will see a map of our territories for the proprietary team that Rob and I work for. And you can see heading up our proprietary team is Tyler Chandler. He directs all of the Heritage branded products. Rob has the western part of the U.S. he supports. Kevin has the upper Midwest. And I'm taking the Northeast. We support all the product lines, but Rob, we each have our own specialty too. What are the specialties for you, me, and Kevin?
Oh, sorry, I lost you there, Bruce. You glitched out for a second. Can you repeat your question?
You're good. I can hear you. You're good, sir.
I didn't hear the question. Sorry. That's when you went.
You're good. So we've got our map on the screen. Tyler Chandler is directs the professional products group. Each one of us has our own specialty, don't we?
Mm-hmm. Correct. Yep. My specialty is fertilizer and nutritional products. So I head up helping our purchasing and procurement group to create a better overall national network of fertilizer blenders and manufacturers to help us cover all the bases. Yourself, you're the guru of the grass seed.
Turf seed,
there you go.
Lead in turf seed. Yes. Have the Turf Tech tool that's patented that Heritage owns. So I'm all things turf seed nationwide. Kevin has probably the unique job. If we go out and develop a new product, Kevin leads that effort on research and development, doesn't he?
He does. You know, Kevin, him and I work together. He does a lot of our research as well. And we work with Tyler trying to look at opportunities, manufacturers that we're utilizing. Maybe they have another product in their portfolio that we'd like to bring over. We see some opportunity out there. But then when we get all those ideas and we do our trial work, that's when Kevin really has to kick in, and he has to work on registration, depending on the type of product it is. He then works on packaging.
Yes.
So when you see that finished jug and case sitting at one of the branches or one of the irrigation stores, Kevin did the final process to get that product into a box, into a jug, with quality control, and then get it out there. And then we fall back on where now you and I and Tyler will help assist on educating and getting the message out there to the field. So it's a good flow. You know, some of these processes, unfortunately, Bruce, they take a couple of years, 2-3 years. Some of them happen rapidly. AirStick was a great example. Our newest sticker that we recently launched.
Yes.
We were able to do that rapidly. Some of them, like I'm working on right now, some other fertilizer alternatives, they've taken years to get to where we're at now. So Kevin is an integral part of our operation and getting a product from idea, sitting around in my head, to at the shelf, on the shelf, ready to available for the customer for what they need to use it for.
That's true. So in summary, Heritage Professional Products team came from Land O'Lakes. Winfield was the largest acquisition that Heritage Landscape Group made. We're all about agronomy. Got sales reps, 65, 70 sales reps, 16 locations. I think it's around 200 total people joined the Heritage family. We support all agronomy products. We have contracts with the major chemical manufacturers. There probably isn't a major herbicide, insecticide, fungicide we don't sell. We support all the Heritage Legacy branches. And that is a brief summary of who we are with the Heritage Professional Products team. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Nick.
Thanks, Bruce.